Back at it again, and it is November 7th, Tuesday, and I started off with the euro dollar, but the euro dollar is very slow, so it takes a while for it to really do what it's supposed to do. So I'm doing this video in reverse. So I'm starting with my second trade first because it's NASDAQ, and NASDAQ moves really fast. And so I was able to finish that trade, I think within like 2 or 3 minutes or something. So I'm going with that first, and then I will circle back to my first trade, which is the euro dollar, okay? So I go in for a short. It was a good short. Again, this is with my new tweak strategy, and it worked like a charm. This was a 30-point NASDAQ move, and it worked out. Please check and enjoy. And so now, like I said, we'll do this in reverse. So I'm now doing my first trade. I'm talking about it second. And so this was a much longer trade. The euro dollar is generally a very slow moving commodity. And it's only slow moving, I think, mostly because a lot of the activity happens usually when I'm sleeping. So it slows down around this time. But nevertheless, it did move. And I got a double bottom. Which then reversed and gave me my signal for what I need to do. And so I wanted to go aggressively for a TP, which would have led to about $300 with only 12 contract size, which would have given me, about 5 Renko moves. And it didn't quite get to the 5th Renko. It got to about 4, and then it reversed, bumped me out, and then ran to my TP eventually. And so it never hit my SL, but I had to come out because it was starting to go down, and I didn't know what was going to happen, so I had to come out of it. But nevertheless, it did eventually hit my TP without hitting my original SL, my original stop loss target, and so I was a little upset about this one, but this is part of trading. This is what happens, and you just have to keep it moving. So yeah, watch and let's check it out. And so unfortunately for today, I was heading for making over $100, but it didn't quite work out. So I made less than that, but still good. Talk to you tomorrow for another day. Take care.